Gordon, which sport do you like?
I like football and soccer.
Who is lighter?
The gymnast is lighter.
Okay, tell me about the girl before and now. Just the girl before and now.
She was slow. Now she's fast.
Very good. Is the football player faster than the swimmer?
Yes, yes, he is.
Which is bigger, the elephant or the rabbit?
The elephant is bigger than the rabbit.
Okay, read to me.
Punch, bench,
Hmm?
bench,
Okay.
sausage, sage,
Number four.
chest,
Number five.
cream,
And number three.
scratch,
One more time.
scratch.
Okay, read to me.
Linda, what's your job? I'm a captain on the boat. My job is great. This is a fishing boat. No, it's a fishing boat. How many sailors do you have? I have 4 sailors and a cook. Where does the cook work? In the kitchen. There's a little kitchen on the boat. What do you eat? I read and then I sleep.